Hey, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to UK Pro Reviewer, your go-to channel for the latest tech reviews and insights. Today, we've got something exciting to talk about: the Snpurdiri 60% wired gaming keyboard. The Snpurdiri 60% wired gaming keyboard is a compact powerhouse designed for gamers and typists alike. In this video, we'll delve into its features, design, and functionality to help you decide if it's the right keyboard for you. First off, let's talk about its design. The Snpurdiri 60% keyboard comes in a compact form factor, perfect for all environments, whether you're gaming, traveling, working in the office, or using it at home. With its 60% layout, it excludes the numpad, giving you more space on your desktop. Typing comfort is crucial, especially during long gaming sessions or work hours. The Snpurdiri 60% keyboard has an ergonomic key height design, making it comfortable to use over extended periods without causing fatigue. Plus, it offers a mechanical feel that's satisfying to your fingertips while maintaining a relatively silent typing experience. Now, let's talk about aesthetics. This keyboard features a cool RGB backlit effect, adding a touch of personality to your setup. With 6 backlight effects and 8 color options, you can customize your typing experience to suit your mood. You can even adjust the lighting speed and level to your liking. The keycaps are double color injection molded, ensuring character transparency and vibrant illumination. If you're tired of monotonous designs, you'll appreciate the elegant black and white color scheme of this keyboard. It adds a touch of sophistication to your workspace. Additionally, the detachable cable makes it easy to carry around, and the USB Type-C connection ensures stable transmission. The Snpurdiri team is dedicated to improving product quality continuously. They've made several upgrades, such as switching to a transparent middle frame for brighter RGB and improving keycap quality. Your satisfaction is their motivation for ongoing product enhancements. In conclusion, the Snpurdiri 60% wired gaming keyboard offers a compact and stylish solution for gamers and typists. Its ergonomic design, mechanical feel, RGB backlighting, and continuous product improvements make it a compelling choice. If you found this review helpful and informative, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to UK Pro Reviewer for more tech reviews and insights. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Stay tuned for more exciting tech reviews.